One of the funniest things relating to my drawing today that I've seen is in the movie Amelie, with the little garden gnome that travels around the world and sends postcards back, as if the gnome had written them. It was pretty funny. Today we're going to draw that little gnome with a little red hat, blue shirt, white beard. Let's get going. This little guy deserves to have a good rendering by us today. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.